A kitchen timer may not be the trendiest culinary instrument, but rather this little contraption is priceless for laid-out gourmet specialists and home cooks the same, and it ought not be disregarded. However, most broilers and telephones have inherent clocks nowadays. Having a different one given to other different kitchen errands will guarantee impeccable food like clockwork. There are a lot of fantastic choices out there, each offering various elements and styles, so we explored the first-class things to assist you with limiting the right one for your home. The best kitchen timer isn't your cell phone. At the point when you have firm rice on the burner, coated salmon under the grill, and recipes for both open on your telephone, it's a disturbance to flip among program and your morning timer application, also unsafe. 30 seconds can be the distinction between shatteringly fresh, brilliant earthy colored sourdough saltines and consumed shingles bound for the garbage bin. A computerized kitchen clock with an easy-to-use interface removes the mystery from cooking, whether you're a home cook or a genius gourmet expert. Hi my friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best digital kitchen timer. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the ThermoPro home brand. The digital timers with 2 counting mode and 1 memory function. It can be adjusted time quickly and easily by rolling the scroll wheel and pressing the scroll wheel button starts/stops the time countdown. The default is countdown timer at startup, long press on the wheel to switch to forward timing. The magnetic timer remembers the last used setting until cleared. The back of the timers has 2 powerful magnets that attach directly to any ferrous surface such as refrigerator. 2 silicone pads have been added to the magnet section, both to protect the magnet and to hold it more securely on a flat surface. Ideal for use in kitchens, offices, meeting rooms, classrooms, libraries. The timer is powered by 3X AAA batteries. When not in working condition, the screen will automatically rest when no operation for 30 seconds and go into standby mode to save power, which can last up to 3 months. You can choose different volume reminders. Loud volume is appropriate for important reminders, so you won't miss a reminder even in another room. Soft volume can be set while cooking to protect your hearing and not miss out on tasty time. The large LED display of kitchen timer shows 4 digits and supports minute and second adjustment. Number 4 in our top is from the MeesMeek brand. A timer have large LED display design make it a perfect home decoration. You can place the kitchen timer digital on the counter or desk, rotate to set time. Distinctive rotate setting with gear rattle makes it more interesting to use. 2 silicone pads on the bottom to avoid slipping. Counting down from 199 minutes 55 seconds to 0, or as a stopwatch count up from 0 to 199:59. Fit for cooking, housework, fitness, game, yoga, classroom, meeting, and other activities. Bright and ECO for you to use in both daylight and nighttime. According to ambient light setting a mode, what you need. Large black screen and white numbers allow you easily see the time remaining. 2 alarm volume, loud, soft, and a mute level to meet your different needs. The 3.14-inch digital display makes it easy to check the remaining time. The kitchen timer is 3 inches in diameter and 3.54 inches high. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the VOCOO brand. A large 7.8 inches digital white LED display with clear numbers allows it easy to read even from across a room. 2.3 inches tall big numbers comes with 3 levels of brightness, dim, medium, bright to meet your different needs, which makes it a nice digital timer for kitchen, home gym, classroom, school, and other occasions. The timer comes with 4 different alarms for you to choose from, beep and 3 music alarms, 3 volume levels, loud, medium and soft, ideal for chef, students, kids, seniors and other people. Counting down from 99 hours 59 minutes to 0, or as a stopwatch count up from 0 to 99:59. The time has 2 modes. One is minute and second, the maximum of time is 59 minutes 59 seconds. Another is hour and minute, the maximum of time is 99 hours 59 minutes, meet all your needs of a digital timer. The digits would change to red when the countdown time passes 1 minute. Powered by rechargeable battery, so you do not always need to plug it in, a low power sign to remind you to charge it. 2 strong magnets covered with silicone for a powerful suction and no slip, easy to stick it on any metal surface directly, or you could hang it anywhere by using the hook. It also comes with a stand for place on desktop. Number 2 in our top is from the VOCOO brand. One key operation, no more struggling to set a timer with small buttons, just rotate to set time. Kids and seniors can easily make it work too. No loud ticking, fit for cooking, housework, fitness, game, classroom, meeting, workouts and other activities. Large black screen and white numbers allow you easily see the time remaining. Ideal as a kitchen timer, say goodbye to underdone burgers and overcooked steaks. 2 alarm volume, loud, soft and a mute level to meet your different needs. Counting down from 99 minutes 55 seconds to 0, or as a stopwatch count up from 0 to 99:55. Powerful magnets on the back for placement on any iron surface directly. 2 silicone pads to avoid falling off. What brightness choices, bright and ECO for you to use in both daylight and nighttime. The timer would automatically enter power saving mode 5 seconds after paused or stop. Just press the button on the screen to activate it again as you need. Unlike those timers made from cheap plastic, we adopt high-grade ABS material to make this timer more durable. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the ThermoPro brand. Simultaneously set 2 alarms for separate events, this productivity timer can be programmed for durations up to 23 hours and 59 minutes, making it suitable for a variety of uses such as cooking, exercise, video game activities, kids activities, and meetings. Unlike those minute timers made of plastic, this digital kitchen timer TM02 is built with premium stainless steel jacket design, make it more chic and durable. The kids timer supports to adjust alarm to high, medium, low volume levels to suit your needs. Silent mode alerts you without making noise. Stopwatch timer recalls the last timer setting to conveniently allow reuse of the same countdown. Study timers for classroom can be used as a clock with calendar when you don't need timing. Using its tabletop stand and built-in magnet, you can place the kitchen timer digital on the counter or fridge for easy access. Clock display can be clearly and easily read on the cooking timer's large 2.6 inches LCD screen through the large digits. Which digital kitchen timer would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.